Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Media Encoder for batch export and presets. Locate the Products section in the top menu. Click on Adobe Media Encoder from the list of available software. Once on the Media Encoder page, find the Buy Now button. Click on the Buy Now button to begin the subscription process. You will be prompted to choose a subscription plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs. After selecting your plan, click on the Continue button. You'll need to sign in to your Adobe account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once signed in, review your subscription details. Proceed to the Payment section by clicking Continue. Enter your payment information accurately. After entering your payment details, review your order carefully. Click Place Order to finalize your subscription. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Download and install Adobe Media Encoder from your Adobe account. Launch Media Encoder after installation. To access batch export, open your project files. Add your files to the Media Encoder queue. Select the desired preset for your export. Adjust any settings as necessary for your project. Click the Start Queue button to begin the batch export process. Your files will now export according to the chosen presets. Monitor the progress bar to track the status of your exports. When the process is complete, check the output folder for your finished files. You are now ready to utilize Media Encoder for efficient batch exports and presets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.